Right. I'm back in Imashayi, my father's house. Remember this place where so this is the fence that we just built. We built this fence.
Sir.
A few, maybe before the pandemic, 90 fence. So this is my father's humble house. He built this house.
So are you saying, Tunde, is it fenced?
Yeah, he built this house because he wanted to have an abode in the village, and he had a grand master plan right across, right over here, huge master plan. So it was a countryside bungalow, but because we are 7 in numbers as his children, and also because of familial and family ties, my dad could not have the money or the strength or the financial wherewithal to build the country home. But we thank God that he raised us, he gave us what we need in terms of the education and the resources to continue his legacy. Whenever I come here, I always feel like crying because I have so much memories in this place. I lived here for 6 months. So I lived here for 6 months. This is the Taiwo's house. I think they're blocked there. So I walk around to Mommy I think so. So that's a bamboo tree. So there used to be a tank here. There used to be a tank, and the only way water would get here was the Oman Bay and Tankawa. So I've been feeling my father didn't have enough money to build to dig up a well. So right over there, was a shed. I spent so much memory, I had so much memories in that shed that I would sit there, me and my father would just sit for hours and talk and do all kinds of things. Right over there, there's a shed over there that we used to sit. And but let me fast forward to a few years ago, right? Fast forward to a few years ago. It's when me and my siblings decided to come together and build stuff. Lo and behold, we built a borehole that my father couldn't do back then because he didn't have the money. We did. Right over there used to be a lot of mango trees. I think there's still one mango tree there. Used to be a lot of mango trees. So we still have that. I lived in this place for 6 months. Me, a Lagos boy at Akpada today. I lived there for 6 months. Over here, like baby by. I planted a huge vegetable farm there. Right over there, there was a huge vegetable farm that had a forte spinach. That every market day, I will go there and sell those vegetables in the market. I had workers working for me, a ton of workers that would come, and I was able to take advantage of my academic and educational resources as an agricultural student from University of Ibadan. And I told my dad, this is how you do it. I remember how we used to use rope, just so we know that when they want to do the AB, what is AB? Hump.
Leach.
When they want to do the AB, the people here in Imashayi couldn't believe it. Like, how can all this thing line up so perfectly? And so that's from my education in University of Ibadan. This is my father's house. This is my home. I'm back at my source.
This is your root.
I'm back at my root. I'm back at my source. So DJTUNDE Ilegbede signing off. Today, the first or second day of, I think today is July 2nd. This is the second day of July.
2023.
Yeah, the day is second day of July. 2023, and I'm here to memorialize my time and the opportunity. God gave me this opportunity to be in Nigeria, and thank you very much.